Tonight, though, we're celebrating one of our favourite wrestlers. And with that, we're saying goodbye. Can we have Zuzu come into the ring? Ladies and gentlemen, one half of the Circus of Doom, for one last time, make some noise for Zuzu the Clown!
Thanks, mate. Wow. I tell you what, there's not many times that people give me a microphone and I'm speechless, as you probably noticed. But I don't even have face paint. It's the first time. The thing is, I wanted to talk about why I'm leaving. I can only say that the most easiest, quickest way to get it through. And that is that when I started wrestling, I walked into a rusty shed in Perth called a wrestling gym. And the first thing the guy said to me was, the best advice I can give you is come in all guns blazing and go out on your back. So when those Cairns slugs, were beating me up, I just kind of felt like, all right, this is me going out on my back, paying my respect to the business. Honestly, you guys here have been the best crowd I've ever wrestled in front of. You make so much noise every time. Woo! It has been a pleasure every single time I've walked out from making my debut at the Greek against that punk Ziga Dino. Getting to squash someone from Brisbane, where Brisbane just hated me. They just didn't want to book me. Yeah, that's right. That's right. There's nowhere else I'd rather wrestle than right here in Townsville. You all booed me for ages, and I still love that. And then when you cheered me, started to cheer me, honestly, my life away from wrestling has been full of a lot of downs, not a lot of ups. But the ups have been coming out here monthly, listening to you guys. Sometimes I see the little ones in the shops and stuff, and they run up, Zuzu, you know. It's honestly been a pleasure. So, from the bottom of my heart, I thank every single one of you. I also thank the guys in the back. I've had some great matches. Oh man, I've had some memories I'll never forget, like Marcus Adonis. I told him I'd give him a shout out. I know you all hate him. But we had a fantastic match. Zach Gardner, man, we tore the house down so many times. Trento Day. Gabrielle. We tore the roof off. Every time we were in this ring, we just tore the roof off. So that's pretty much all I have to say. Is thank you every time. You guys are really awesome.
Thanks, Susie, but before you go, we have a lot more people that need to say goodbye to you as well. Let's bring in the entire QWA roster! A lot of the guys have got a lot to say to you, Zuzu, but let's bring on the one who came to me first. Guys, first speaker is the Australian Wolf.
So what can we say about this man? That's right, he is. He's an amazing guy. He's a guy that came from Brisbane, where I had to leave because it's just full of scumbags. And he came to me and he said, I want to move to Townsville. I want to learn to wrestle properly. And I said, who are you in with down there? And he said, no one. And I said, get up here, because I'm going to train you and I'm going to make you the absolute best muscle clown I can. But then I realised I was just giving you the steering wheel. You were steering, you were pushing the accelerator. It was all you. And the fact you're leaving this early breaks not only every single roster person's here heart, but every single person that has come out here tonight, and every single person that has ever come to a show. Yeah! So before we go on, if you've got a drink, raise it up. On 3, we're going to say, thank you, Zuzu. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Zuzu. Now drink. Girls in the morning.
We could do this all night, Townsville. Your city's a joke. This celebration's a joke. Zuzu's a joke. We deserve a celebration. We're the tag team champions. puppets. If they're serious and they want a shot tonight, who wants to see the Cairns Prodigies kick Circus of Doom's ass? And once again, Zuzu, you're a joke.
QWA!